RegTech One delivers the power of everything in GRC and AML compliance. Users choose from fully integrated end-to-end AML compliance or standalone modules for KYC, CDD, behavior monitoring, screening, and FinCEN 314A subpoena search. And with true no-code configuration and drag-and-drop workflows, end users, not programmers, create precise solutions aligned to each institution's needs, with extraordinary automation and comply-on-the-fly agility. Solution architects designed RegTech One to deliver exceptional value specific to users' needs. Users leverage the power and efficiency of eKYC golden records, perpetual KYC, hub-and-spoke centralized control, and full digital transformation. In RegTech One, these value-laden options rely on no-code configuration and server capacity, no programming needed. RegTech One solves the problems of siloed applications, disconnected data, stale risk analytics, and variable client requirements. In contrast to our competitors, RegTech One's API-driven platform creates a network effect among users' current banking and GRC applications. And from that network of applications, RegTech One makes accessible an institution's enterprise-wide ecosystem of permissioned data. With RegTech One, clients simply choose and configure, from their workflows to their preferred data subscriptions to their favorite technology tools. A user's network of applications and shared data could include its KYC, CDD onboarding, other AML modules, eKYC golden record, perpetual KYC, screening data, business intelligence, vendor management, entity resolution, and other vital applications. RegTech One delivers the power of everything. For users seeking exceptional risk management, RegTech One features a fully dynamic multidimensional risk engine, a holistic screening engine, event and action libraries, dynamic workflows and question management, document collection and management, and dynamic case management, all with exceptional levels of automation. Choose RegTech One to achieve comprehensive, near real-time automated updates of your enterprise risk with actionable intelligence. Contact us today to learn more and arrange a proof of concept to see what RegTech One can do for you.